welcome back to the mat. And now we're going to do our first exercise in the healing of our diastasis recti. The first thing we need to talk about, though, is what are the muscles that we're actually working with. You'll hear a lot of talk about the core muscles. You'll hear the word powerhouse. You'll hear a lot of different words that are shorthand for 6 different muscles. The one that we're interested in primarily is the 3rd strongest muscle in the human body, and it works like a corset coming all the way around your midsection. It starts at the spine in the back, it wraps all the way around the front, and it's in 3 different sections, but it really does span the entire waist area. It is a very deep lying muscle, so it's what we call a skeletal muscle. And the musculature that we're primarily concerned with is the front of the body right now. However, I'm sure you've noticed in having a weakness in the front of the musculature of the body, your low spine is probably on the achy side, and I would imagine that your sacrum and that iliosacral area is also a little stiff and maybe even a little painful during the last few weeks of pregnancy and afterwards. So the transversus muscle is what we're talking about that wraps all the way around. Then there's that pretty little muscle that's right in the front that everybody loves so much, the rectus abdominis, right? That's your 6-pack muscle. But here's the good news and bad news. Yes, it's very beautiful, but it's not very strong. So yeah, sure, you can have one, but it's not going to help you all that much if it's super well defined. It doesn't make it any stronger. Then there are the muscles on the sides of the body, the inner and outer obliques, which crisscross one another, crossing over your body, allowing you to twist and turn and bend to the side. So the first thing we're going to learn how to do is bring all of that muscular together so that it's as if it's meeting in the front.